The media status indicator will flash when media is exhausted. Open the printer. Remove the used ribbon from the take-up spindles. Remove the empty ribbon core from the supply spindles. Remove the wrapper from the supply ribbon. Release the ribbon leader. Install the supply ribbon on the spindles. Install the empty ribbon core on the take-up spindles. Pull the ribbon leader up past the print head and attach to the take-up core. Wind the take-up spindle towards the rear of the printer until you see the black area of the ribbon. Close the printer. Press the feed button to feed a label.